Hello and welcome back to the channel. I know the sun's shining, but actually, just a second. It is freezing cold, absolutely freezing. It's 2 degrees out when I just went out, and I just need a warming kind of festive drink. So I'm gonna make a cardamom Bailey's hot chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. And this is going to be a very short video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's make the hot chocolate, guys. So I'm just making 1 cup for myself. I'm on my own at home right now. So I'm going to add 120 ml of whole milk. And I love the flavor of oat milk. So I'm going to add 120 ml of oat milk. You can use just whole milk as well if you don't want to add oat milk. So half and half of half whole milk, half oat milk. I want a really strong cardamom flavor. So I'm going to use 3 cardamom pods. You can just add 1, but no, actually don't. Just add you want to be able to taste it. That's the whole point of making cardamom hot chocolate, because you want to be able to taste the cardamom with the strong hot chocolate. Right, I've just peeled it and I'm just going to bash it up. There it is. And now, oops. And now this goes into the milk. And let's just get it nice and hot. While the milk is being infused and it's heating up, I am just going to whip up some double cream. Obviously you can use squirty cream, but I am just adding a little bit of fresh double cream. I prefer using fresh double cream and whipping it up myself. And I'm just going to add a tiniest bit of light brown sugar and then whisk it. And that's it. You don't want to over whisk it. You want it nice and softly whisked. I've also got here 25 grams of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa. And you can see it's kind of heating up, so I'm just going to add literally half a spoonful of soft brown sugar. And I'm going to throw in the chocolate. Just stir until the chocolate is melted. Its gas is still on low heat. Smells so. Now, cocoa powder is something I sometimes add and sometimes I don't. If I have it at home, I go for it. Just a spoonful. Now it's coming to a boil. Turn it off, add a tablespoon of Bailey's. Irish cream goes in. Hoo, hoo, hoo. we bring out the cream. I'm so happy. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, Baileys and cardamom. Who knew this combination is what we needed? Oh, it's good. Wow. Unreal. That is unreal. Cardamom and chocolate is something I've used together before, and it's just a match made in heaven. It's not commonly used, but it is a match made in heaven. To that, have that Bailey's Irish cream is just that is awesome. I really hope you're gonna try it and let me know. Once you've tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to know what you think because I think this is fantastic. Enjoy. Bye for now. And because it's dark chocolate, it's not sickly sweet. I've just added a little bit of sugar. That is insane.